suspected and the board members of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Asia, the team owner of the club, 2-4 or say 2-2, Manhyia, Abra Omokako submitted report I be an American no. Definitely reports never was a but reports no, Obeka said the catcher will say, Yaw Amponsah ne obo delay say or yet the report no comprehensive to cover the board own senior beya reports the qua ASR reports na be Manhyia. But unfortunately, O2 said to reports no. Some radio station crowd are more describing as O2 are rejected reports no. Whatever it takes, reports no Manhyia ansum. Almost omonko, no monko fafo from bra. Dientia. Enuntina yatna sia yede bro ewo fia has impacho aha super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya no hit the red subscribe button. Ubetima follow social media handles no so. Super 24 TV. Facebook titiri super 24 TV. And ubehunu information be able to be you have a first hand on that particular information. Well, yatna si mamenchao na memo wakwaba. But before I move in straight into Asante Kotoko issues no, mamemfa message we amount as a light for our path. Very important. Debi amikasa agudi mu nsem no, ye de gigi ani e wo wiasim. But say ye nipa ye wo wiasim yi, atenetene corrections very important. Ni enhwe okompa no na ye nante so. Se ne ye be ya da chi bia no. Ye nyina ye benya ba bipa agina e wo ba bia ye ko bia. Now today our message for our life, for our path, no, is simple. Ask. Busa. If you say dear we bia, sa baby na woko na unimuwa. Busa. Udru baby. Na wadwini mu ya wokesenenia. Nipa wo busa. Ubusa ye bechira. Woko baby. Na obi a wako hoda. Unya kwanya na busa na se no nchira okwan. But while we do pimqua, one have been nanti once and Abakubusa, no one nanti be bregu. The same thing applies to Utumfunya Kupua DBA Bompire Sereno. Sabibini here, ye Musa. A dreamer now, here BB. Have the courage to ask. Say, oh, the eye at the Bemount. So, who deserve where at the Bemount? Have the courage to ask. Who here BB? Now, the one Sasha would then be filmed to war. Do you expect such hard in a beba? You have to ask. Busa. And then, dear we are they ask. Busai for people to show them the way. So have the courage to ask. So busa at the bemau. It is empire. Who here be fruit to Funyankopon. Also sorry I wada. Oh sorry I ought to. Oko utum Funyankopon him na ubusa on Sabeka. Into what will hear me and ne a free and ne go video way. The who here beyond busa. A dumem a fee our rim have the courage to ask. Bibi na won't see us and so busa. It's ask the a very broad. Bibi a wo be a busa. Sa ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In semia aba manfo candidate jana won't see us ya busa. And pratria be na womb, and I will suspect BB, and a gay and a boy busa. Wow, meant now, and for me thought to be a trim. If I told Yantiasiano, or two for Nankopon, and me Yantiasi. Now let's zoom straight into Asante Kotoko. A crobby Asante Kotoko. Obeka is a me catch will say. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Reports no. Tuesday, dignitaries, board members, even those who are Kwame Doctor Eddie Kayo. Board didn't can share, but unfortunately, board ni share. Kwame non count, area, ena omunina uniform, and Kushia Utum force 82. Na Doctor Kwame and an idiom, and I'm present. documenter Nana Yaw Amponsah the more as part of 3 years 180-page document as the report Emma we also more present Yama Manhyia. But in the reports no write up no it is altered by management. So Manhyia was like no on management ejuma. Management only reports to the board. And see, this is something which has been altered by management. Ontimi ensum. Inti eyenokre. Nsama ebeto dwa enra anadwoa na amanfo eka ya reject na oefo against for say reject. Proof for say reject na ye addendum ne say yenkoya addendum. Ekasa addendum a supplementary items about documents na what the account. But a business say see a modification. At the end of the day, reports no Manhyia ansum. This one has been established. Manhyia ansum. It's to say no Manhyia ama mpanyifo no new dates, which is exactly Tuesday no mushia in the week. It is Tuesday in the week no. It is enough for the board to write their own reports and bring it. Dear no. It's a report no. Information and then we say I reject no. It is somehow true, and it is true. Ebia we will just people are just going to be temper mercy with words. Say rejection, you know, too hard. But rejection, you know, the fact is nipa no ansum no. If it was accepted and received, they are received. But nipa no yansum ko na koye we some modification kura na se koye about the reporter yansum. So this is an established fact. Tuesday and I reschedule some mbra. Immediately after and Kubasa Sante Kotoko board dinina ekoshia the Fairview Hotel board no. They met again after say the board the report was apparently rejected. And the main reason why it was rejected because it was altered by the management, and the management does not have any direct link with Manhyia. A board, it is a Juma for the board secretary and then the dom. Say in the week among BB quickly concerning the report, and they should bring it so that the decisions will be taken duly. Dear womb, no. Ya reject utumfo nyankopon emayantiase nchiremu a ewom no Super 24 TV. But I was be na Yaw Amponsah no ho. But unfortunately, one say he doesn't have any direct link with Manhyia. No more reports ne kono. Ya man kwan kra mananko no Manhyia oba ya man kwan. E pato ye nyantiase no. So this is what transpired. We hope that Kotoko is going to be great and great again. May the Usia HLB may call